Hi, my name is Thomas Tang. I'm from Apantac. Today I will talk about our mount hood series of extenders. The mount hood series consists of VGA, DVI, HDMI, splitters, extenders, and KVM extenders, touchscreen extenders, and HDMI switches. This is a USB-based KVM extender. As you can see, the PC comes in here. This is a VGA output to make sure the image quality is good. For the PC input, a combination cable is provided to give you both USB and audio. USB is used for both communication as well as power. On this side, the cable plugs directly into the PC end to provide you the communication and the video. You can have local monitor output of the audio, and you can also have external audio in. And these USB devices can also be plugged in here instead of directly coming from the computer. Here's the receiving side. The receiving side is pretty straightforward. RJ45 coming in, gain and focus to ensure the good image quality, and the VGA output to the monitor.